Hey guys, Yana Speaks here, and in this video I am doing your weekly love reading. Now I don't want to take up all of your time, and there I go dropping the card. My apologies, my bad. But basically I don't want to take up all your time. I want to get right into the reading because I know you guys are here to get the answers to your questions. So let's get right into it. So Spirit guides, please reveal to me their overall energy. What is my subscribers' overall energy this week? What is their overall energy this week? Please, what's wrong with me today? Please give me a clear answer. What is their overall energy this week? Okay, so we have codependencies. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. So what that's telling me is that you could be in a situation where you're dealing with someone that you know that they're not really good for you, but you may just be dealing with them because maybe, you're afraid to be by yourself, or maybe you feel really comfortable with this person. It could be someone you've known for a long time. This could be someone maybe that's like from the past. Maybe they've come back around, and it's just like this familiar energy. And it's almost like this person could be like kind of like your comfort blanket. And what I mean by that is like you may be feeling like you're settling for this person, and this person may not necessarily be what you want, but they provide something for you. So there's some type of codependency going on here. It could also be vice versa. It could be like this person feeling this way towards you, but we ask your overall energy, okay? So spirit guides, please let me know more about my subscribers' overall energy this week. Okay, so we have the Three of Cups here. So, let's keep pulling. Three of Cups, we have Justice, World, the World I meant to say, the Knight of Swords, Seven of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so this may be a week where you guys are really socializing a lot. That's what I'm getting with the Three of Cups. So you guys could be deciding to like hang out more with your family and friends. Like maybe you could be feeling like, you know what, that's gonna like lead to my happiness is to spend more time with my family and friends, like to hang out more, to socialize more. It's kind of like you focusing more on like your friendships this week to kind of get you through the week. Okay, because you see, you have something going on here in your love life where there's a lot of codependent energy. Okay, you guys could also be leaning on like your friends for advice on like what to do about this situation. Okay, some of you may even be involved in a third party situation, so it could be like, you guys have a third party situation going on, and you may be holding on to one particular person because of some type of, dependency that you have with that person. So maybe you feel like, I don't want to let this other person go because, it's better to have more than one person. And I kind of feel like that's what's really going on here because we have the Seven of Cups here. So I feel like you guys do have a lot of options. And that's why I feel like a lot of you are leading towards like your family, your friends, and maybe going to them and talking to them about it and trying to get some advice on like what you should do. Like you may be telling them like, well, this person, they do this person does that. And like your family and friends are probably telling you, well, you should go for the one that treats you better. You know what I mean? So I just feel like that's what you're focusing on this week. Okay. It also looks like you have closed out a chapter. Okay. You've ended a cycle and you're beginning a new one. And it makes sense because it is January. It is a new year. You may be trying to make a decision when it comes to one of the people that you're involved with. So you could be like deciding, like, I believe maybe when you go to your family and friends, they're probably going to tell you, well, you know what, you're going to have to pick somebody. You can't just, have all of these people. So I feel like one of them, you're basically going to kind of just be like, well, you know, it's been real, but it's time to close this out. So I just feel like one of your options, you're gonna tell them, deuces, peace, like, be gone. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm picking up intuitively too. I feel like one of the people that you're gonna go to for advice is an older woman, and then for some of you it'll be an older man. But they're gonna just tell you straight up, like, listen, you could play this game if you want to, but you're gonna have to pick somebody. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here. And this may seem kind of effed up or whatever that you're doing this, but and I'm just going what I'm feeling intuitively and not just what I'm seeing in the cards. I actually feel like this is one of those rare situations where you are not in the wrong for having a third party. Because I feel like you've been through a lot with this person. That's what I'm just picking up intuitively. Okay? And I feel like that's why it's going to be kind of easy for you this week to just listen to the advice of the people around you when they're telling you, like, you need to make a decision and, like, end this with this person. And I kind of feel like justice has been served. You went through what you needed to go through with this past person, and now it's time to move forward. Now it's time to walk into your good karma. Like, it's like faith is on your side, luck is on your side. The tables are turning. So and we do have, this week we have 3 major arcanas here. Yeah, justice, the wheel of fortune, and the world. So it's definitely some major changes going on for you this week, but that's what I'm seeing here. I feel like it's like some people may say, oh, that's like effed up that you have, like, a third party situation going on. But like what I'm feeling intuitively is that this past person has done a lot, and it's almost like they led you to have a third party. It's like they made it easy for this to happen. And justice is served. That's how I see it. I do see that when you tell this person this, though, I do feel like there's going to be some type of debating going back and forth. This person definitely is going to kind of come in really fast and say how they feel, and they may even like not allow you to even get a word in. But I don't think you care, because you're like, deuces, this is a wrap. This is over. Yeah, I feel like you're moving on. But I feel like even though you're moving on, you're not bitter, you're not angry. You're on some, like, let bygones be bygones. Your attitude is like, it's water under the bridge. Like, I'm just moving forward. I'm not looking back. It's this energy of like, I don't even hate you. Like, it's this energy of like, we could still be cool, we could still be cordial, but I'm gonna do me. That's what I'm seeing. So this reading was pretty straight to the point. If you feel like this reading resonated with you, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, but more than likely you are subscribed to my channel, because these are my weekly love readings. So in order for you to see it, I would think that if you're on my email list, you'll be subscribed to my YouTube channel. But if not, I'm making an assumption here. But like I said, so if you find this reading helpful and it resonated with you, please hit that like and subscribe button. Share it with someone else. Someone else may find that this reading resonates with them. And if you would like to book a private reading with me, all the information to do that is going to be in the description below. And I will see you guys in your next weekly reading. Bye.